Good morning, friends. Good morning, everyone. Wishing all of you happy Dhanteras and also Diwali की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं. Now I am showing it's my own analysis and it is for educational purpose. दिवाली इन्वेस्टमेंट पिक्स आपको कहाँ कहाँ पर किस किस जगह पर कौन कौन सी स्टॉक्स में फोकस रखनी है फॉर 1 year नेक्स्ट प्लान. नाउ Number one stock is your Eternal Limited. As per my Elliott Wave analysis and also including Gann theory, its a buying price 318 to 325 325. Target is almost 30 to 40% from here and final target 412. Next stock is the Bajaj Finance. Buying price little bit down, but if you will get that stock at that price, very, very, it will be very beneficial. Now, current market price is sir 1070. You have to be focused on that price 1020 for the investment purpose. Final target right now little bit small, but it has almost upside momentum, upside potential. So final target is 1201. Now the next stock you have to focus is BEL, Bharat Electronics Limited. Stock is trading at the very narrow and tight range. Stock is trading here. And upside momentum it is trading. If you will get this stock at that price, chances of chances of going upside blast from there, and my final target is 540. So you have to find and any kind of investment plan, and what I have calculated 540 targets can be achieved within 144 trading sessions. Now next stock is CDSL. CDSL, it is also trading in a fixed narrow range, and the range is also this one, and it is also trading in also a fixed range. Price is consolidating here. So if the price breaks this level, chances of achieving all this target on the card. So you have to focus on that price, that zone for the investment purpose. Next stock is IRFC. It is exact at the support and it has tried to find the upside bullish momentum from there. And right now price is consolidating since a long time and it has created rising wages right now if you will find it. And if you will purchase this stock at this price 1152 to 120, final 1 year target is 212, almost 70 to 80% return from there. नेक्स्ट स्टॉक फॉर द इन्वेस्टमेंट पर्पज बेस्ड स्टॉक जो अभी अभी रिसेंटली लिस्टेड हुई है दैट इज NSDL. बाइंग प्राइस लिटिल बिट बिलो ऑफ द CMP प्राइस. बाइंग प्राइस 1126 to 1147, टारगेट 1470 फाइनल टारगेट. एंड एज पर माई कैलकुलेशन एलियट वेव, जैसे मैंने लास्ट ईयर बोला था, silver will achieve 1,70,000 and sir, gold will achieve 1,35,000 within a period of 6 months to 1 year. This target can be achieved. This target can be achieved within a period of 6 months. So you have to focus on NSDL. Next, stock Indian Bank. Buying price 740 to 756 and the final target 987. Almost 30% return within an year can be expected in this stock. Another one is Ashok Leland. Ashok Leland is also price is in uptrend. Little bit price has done correction here. So if the price breaks all these things and including the time cycle has come around this and price is trading above the TCD time, and if you will pick this stock at that price, final target is 224, almost 70% return from here. Next stock Titagar. Buying price 840 to 850, target is 1055 to 1078. Right now it has created exact at the support, but it has created a falling wedge. So if you will get that stock at the price of 840, it is also a suitable investment. Final target 1078 in this stock. And the last stock, AIA Engineering. It has given also uptrend movement and it has created break of a structure here, and right now on the time cycle date it has created an upside super blast. Now it is trading above that. If you will invest in that stock around the price of 3252, final target is 3960. It is all for my educational purpose. Please plan your own investment, and आप इन्वेस्टमेंट से पहले अपनी अपनी रिसर्च, अपनी एक्सपर्ट से राय और जानकारी ले ले. It is my own investment plan which I am showing you. Okay, wishing all of you happy Diwali. Thanks a lot. Have a nice day.